YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. I am Beautiful Hustler, and I am here today to show you guys how to properly remove a lace. Now, I've been wearing this lace frontal and bundles for about 3 weeks now, and this is my Puerto Rican curly texture. And if you are interested in buying this hair, I will leave that information down in my description box. So thank you for watching and stay tuned. Okay, so now we're going to get into what you will need to remove a lace. Now today I will be using some 99% alcohol, which is from the company Swan, and I purchased this at my local beauty supply hair store. But if you don't have 99, it's recommended that you use at least 91% or stronger, and you should be able to purchase 91% alcohol from a Walmart, Walgreens, or pharmacy store near you. Also, I will be using a rag for this. So I'm just gonna pretty much take the alcohol, put it on my rag, and I'm gonna soak it across, but you guys will see everything right after this. So I'm just gonna take my rag and open up my alcohol. It's new, so you make sure you open it up. I just use my finger and just punch a hole. So now I'm gonna start putting the alcohol on my rag. And once I do that, I'm just gonna start from this side. I'm just gonna continue to rub the alcohol back and forth. And the adhesive that I used to lay this down was GhostBond Supreme, but it's the same process really for any lace glue. So just follow these steps correctly and you should be able to get your lace off in no time. And now you see it's starting to lift. You just want to rub it. Keep sliding the alcohol under the parts that are lifted. And just take your time. Do not pull hard. Just take your time. Let the alcohol start to eat away the glue. You can put as much alcohol that you would need. Guys, you can see, yuck, disgusting. So just continue to do that over and over until everything is off. And if you guys are wondering why I keep closing one eye, because it's just like alcohol burns your eyes. So please be careful. Do not let it drip down in your face and get in your eye, because you will be on fire. And we just have a little bit more on this side. And voila. Now that is all off. Well, it's all pulled back. So now I know you guys see that I have a little glue residue here, and it's probably not even only glue, it's probably also the Got2b gel. So to remove that as well and to still have your edges when you're done, just same process. You want to get your alcohol, soak that up, and continue to rub it off. It's just something about the alcohol that eats away that residue. So just continue to just rub, 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 rub. You probably see it start balling up, like little glue balls dropping and stuff like that, which is completely normal. So Just continue to rub and never, never pull. Do not pull, just rub it off. Oh my God, look at all this foundation. This is not dirt, you guys. Do not think that I am dirty. This is definitely foundation because I apply foundation here and on my skin as well before I lay my glue down. So I am not dirty. See, it's coming off. Gotta get it up in here and in here. See how easy that came off? I did not pull it off. It was already soaked and it just slid right off. See how I got that off? See how it's like stretching and getting sticky? That's exactly what you need the glue to do. So just continue to rub and remove. Rub and remove. Honestly, guys, I recommend that when you are removing a lace and you're gonna wash your hair, please do this step first. Like some people take the lace off and then wash their hair and try to get the glue out. But I would highly recommend that you remove all the glue off first with the alcohol and then wash your hair. So now this part that you see that's on the braid, once I undo the braid, well, I will have to unbraid the braid. I will be able to just take a small tooth comb and comb that right out with no problem. Guys, this is very, very easy. See, it's not really none on this side. But we're still gonna do the same process. And now I'm just gonna put a little bit where the top of this cap is, where that's still like hanging on, so that I can pull the cap back. Just about here. Boom. Ooh, my hair is dirty. Jeez, but look at the growth. And this is only after like 2 to 3 weeks. My hair is filthy, but look how much it grew. Just like, it's about 1 inch. Yeah, maybe ½ an inch. Yes. Ooh, look how much, oh my gosh. Yes, but guys, this is basically how you want to remove all of your lace, whatever you want to call it, all your lace installs, lace wig, lace closures, lace frontals, like I said. So this was Beautiful Hustler, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And until next time.